I'm Sana Sobel, and make sure you're watching Edivision TV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch this page. Wicked.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Gona, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. First of all, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Happy New Year once again. All the best for 2024. Now elections are in the air. Election just couple weeks away. The JFF will be red hot. My Cricket's up against Raymond Anderson, the builder. Real solid action. So what say you people? My Cricket's Raymond Anderson. For the most part, what I've been hearing is that they're both no good and JFF needs to go. Everybody at JFF need to go. We don't need none of them. That's what I've been hearing. But not so fast though, people. Not so fast. Persons out there have always been crying that JFF are too corrupt and all of them must go. Down to the janitor. Everybody must go. Everybody must go. But how would we get rid of everybody? Well, Brazil is facing that currently. Alright, now hear this, people. FIFA threatens to ban Brazil from international competitions due to political interference in federation poll. So that's the only way they could remove that heading. Get the politicians involved. Get it political. Because you cannot go up there and just drag them out the building. So you have to take it to the courts and, judge will have to rule. But it gets worse. We know that FIFA don't like politics. Once you go politics, intervention, you're in trouble. Now FIFA has issued a warning to the Brazilian Football Confederation, CBF, that it can suspend the country's national teams and clubs from international competitions, provided an intervention by the soccer body results in the election of a new president in January 2024. FIFA said in a letter to a Brazilian soccer executive that the country's soccer body, CBF, could face suspension if it does not heed its call to wait and instead holds a swift election to replace Naldo Rodriguez as president. Regardless, a Rio de Janeiro court removed Rodriguez and all his appointees at CBF from office on December 7 due to irregularities in his election last year. Brazil's two highest courts upheld that ruling last week. FIFA's opposition against governmental interference. Soccer's governing body FIFA historically rejects government and third-party interference in its members' associations, which ultimately could leave five-time World Cup winners Brazil out of major competitions until the crisis is resolved. The Rio Court ruling also named Jose Perdes, the head of Brazil's top sports court, as an intervener to organize new elections for the presidency within 30 working days. FIFA said in previous letters to CBF it considers the intervention to be undue. So people, if Brazil don't get themselves in order, everything banned. No club football, no international football. And this is Brazil. So we here in little Jamaica balling out. We need to, the Ricketts must go, Raymond Anderson must go, everybody must go. Can't happen like that, people. The JFF is here to stay. Whether we like it or not, we cannot just jump up and get rid of the people them. And you understand? And that's just the fact. Nobody can really intervene. And you see what happened. You see what happened when they take it to court. This is what happened. You have to let FIFA deal with the matter. You know, and FIFA has been here, maybe still is, doing the audit and doing whatever. We are already under financial restriction, you know, and that, you know, has been hampering the federation for years. So if there were any other major corruption, FIFA would have spotted it already. So that's my stance on that. But you know, the people that crying out for ban, not possible. We cannot afford such thing. So people crying out for ban and everybody must go on. Don't make no sense. So this is where we're at, people. Persons will be going to the polls. Mike Ricketts or Raymond Anderson. Has to be one. There is no condition where everybody will leave. That's impossible. You can't meet. It will never happen. You won't get one or the other. So we just have to work with it. Nobody will be stepping aside and you cannot force them out. So football fans, Reggae Boy fans, what do we have to say about the matter down in Brazil? Big Brazil will now possibly face a ban. What say you? Do you now want the JFF to go and potentially face the same thing that Brazil can face? Think about it. I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, my name is Tavia Gooden and I am one of the members of TagDat. TagDat is a Jamaican company that was established in 2022 with the vision of bringing Jamaican proverbs to life with imagery. We also do customized shirts, hats, and other items. You can find us on Instagram at TagDat22. You can send us a WhatsApp at 876-513-8229, or you can send us an email at tagdat22@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eddie Vision TV.